Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gauri and today I am here to unbox this pangolin mask. So something that I ordered, I'm very excited to use it. So this is a small size that I've ordered. So let's see what this box contains. It's pretty neatly and nicely packed. So okay, so here we go. So it comes like a sleeve and with the highlights of what this mask is all about. It's a size small for 2,500 Indian rupees. And so this contains a strap to hold the mask, so it's like that. So this comes with a strap. It has Pangolin branding on it. Yeah. So I'll keep that aside. Then we have the mask in one of the packets like this, and a filter for the mask. It's a product guide, and here we have a very nice pouch to carry this in. It has a Pangolin branding. It's quite a nice material. So that's the contents of the box. So let's open the mask. Okay, so here is the mask, Pangolin mask. It's a size small for me, and it has a branding here and something written here as well. So it's like that. We have a filter here. So that's the filter. Looks like that. It's pretty neat. It has a S for size small here. Okay. So let's put the mask here. So this is where the nose comes. So there's this nose drawing here. So let's put this here. I hope I'm doing it right. Yep, it fits perfectly. See? So let's wear and see. Oh, wait. So we just, okay, so we'll do it this way, yeah. So we'll fix these straps. Like this. Let's try it on. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable, can breathe, and it's pretty nice. Yeah, and we can take it off and hang it here like that. So it's a pretty neat thing. I really like it. And as I told you earlier, I ordered this in a small size. And this comes with a pouch, so it's very easy and convenient to carry. Keep it here in this pouch and carry it with you anywhere. So it's a pretty neat product. I really like it. So I was very excited to try it for the first time. So I received it today. I hope you like my video, and I will see you next time.